Hello everyone, and how's it going today? My vehicle has 155,102 miles, so it's time for the 155,000 mile oil change. I use synthetic motor oil, and what I think is a good filter, and I'm comfortable with it so that I know that it can last more than 5,000 miles, but I do the change every 5,000 miles anyway, because the owner's manual on the car says don't change your oil less frequently than 6,000 miles. So I go by the engineer's recommendation, or whoever built this car and the engine and everything, on the owner's manual, and I use a synthetic oil as a to be good on the car, because the purpose of synthetic oil is to run cleaner in the engine rather than grant you an extended service interval. There are some synthetic motor oils that give you the extended service interval, but you know, they claim to work up to, let's say, 15,000 miles, and that's a fancy way of saying it could, but it doesn't have to. So that's why I change my oil every 5,000 miles, just to be on the safe side, even though it could probably do a little bit more. So let me show you what the oil looks like. Right. See, that's when it starts to get to the point where I want to change it. So 5,000 miles, let me just show you that again. So 5,000 miles is when I want to change the motor oil. I go by, is there any weird particulate? Is it any weird color? Well, how about the viscosity? So on and so forth. So I know when to change it just by looking at it. And I would say it's about time. So let's start with a cold start, and this is going to be painful, I know. But actually it wasn't too bad. Okay, so we have our temperature gauge. Optimally, the temperature should be at the halfway mark or just below the halfway mark at the revs. Should be about, I don't know, 700 or so. So we'll let this warm up a little bit. We'll go for a little drive, and then when I come back, that's when I'll start filming again. We're going to put this thing up on ramps, let it cool down just a little bit, and then change the oil. Now this is good enough. I'm just going to get it up on ramps and get everything ready, and then I'm going to let it just settle for like 30 minutes or so, and then I'm going to get to work. Good. Okay, it's cold down here, so let's get to work. This is the oil drain plug. Bolt, whatever you want to call it. Wow, everything's muddy and filthy as hell here. This is the oil filter. Let's see if I can set the camera down in such a way. These are cow shit looking stuff under my glass. What the fuck? Oh, no way. Piece of shit made in Taiwan, motherfucking. Are you serious? Okay, my quest for the beefier 13 mil is complete. Oh, there it goes. Finally. Son of a fucking bitch. Fucking piece of fucking shit. Okay. finally got a little bit of progress here. This is the fun part. Oh, that motor oil smells so good. So while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go clean this piece of shit off. Oh, that's sexy. Oh, yeah. See. Motor oil. It's starting to go. And there she goes. One filthy ass oil filter. There she goes. Oh, that was such a pain to take off. Okay. And now, I just let this drain for a little bit. And that's that. Check to make sure the gasket is off. Yes, the gasket came off. I don't know if you can see that the gasket's on there. Damn, this thing is filthy, muddy. Let's clean up. Get all that oil off in there. Make sure it's nice and clean. Alright, new filter. Oh, look at that. So nice. Now we have to lube up the seal. Looped up. Oh, now that that's all looped up, we just attach it. Now this is the fun part. Get this slightly out of the way and make this farmer's tight. So we clean this off as nice as we can. That's nice and clean in my opinion. Come on, let me get in there. Get in there.
on. Now all we have to do is add the oil. I like to just make sure this doesn't leak, so I watch it for a second. And that's it. So let's go add the oil now. Good. Now we just log it. Oil change today, current odometer reading, next service, what I used. Yep.
And that is done. We are good till 160,000 miles, so that will be when the next oil change video is. I didn't show this on camera, but while you're down there, make sure you at least take a look at your brake rotors and tie rods and stuff like that. Just make sure everything is fairly tip-top. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good one. And, you know, consider commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, liking, so on and so forth. And thanks again. Oh, I want to show you one more thing while I'm here.
These are my old oil filters. When it gets warm enough so that my dick doesn't freeze off, I'm gonna cut these all open and compare them. I've just been saving up. I'm gonna get rid of the duplicates. I'm just gonna take the ones with the most miles on it. And yeah, we have a Baldwin, we have a Can-Am, we have a Mopar filter, we have a Purolator Boss, so on and so forth. Yep.